Hello everyone, my name is Danette Meeks-Hull and I'm coming to you from California. In my most recent field placement, I was with the foster care department for San Bernardino, LA and Riverside County. My last employment position was an HR and academic director for a parochial school. I'm eager to learn about trauma-related disorders and how those disorders affect comorbidity diagnosis over the long term. So, for instance, if someone has a trauma as a child, does that shorten their life as they become an adult, with or without therapy? I hope to be working as an LCSW and studying trauma so I can help my clients better understand what they're going through and work with them better to properly plan for their needs. 3 ways that I plan on maintaining my self-care is to do a lot of traveling. In fact, I'm leaving for a family vacation for a month in a couple days, and will be doing my homework remotely. I'm a perfectionist, so that makes it really difficult for me sometimes because I try to overanalyze absolutely everything, and it creates more stress than necessary. So I've kind of teamed with some of my professors and have decided that this semester I'm going to try to give myself a break and just a little bit of breathing room. The third thing is that I plan on going on walks when I start to get writer's block rather than being so frustrated that I just can't seem to finish at the time. So if you have any other questions, I'm available in the course room. I look forward to hearing from you and speaking with each of you as we move forward. Thanks. Bye.